At a press conference held on the 28th of July 2023, members of the Meghalaya Youth Tourism Development Society announced that they will be organizing the Miss Meghalaya 2023 event in the month of September this year. They added that the auditions to the same have been scheduled from the 12th of August 2023, while qualifying events will follow till the grand finale on the 9th of September 2023. The main intention of organizing the event is to boost the confidence of youngsters and to face the challenges that they may experience through their journey as brand ambassadors, not only in the national but at the international platforms as well.
Contestants will be called for a 10-day grooming session, which will begin on the 28th of September. Right to the 8th of September. That will be till the one day before the beauty pageant, which we plan to have on the 9th of September. And during this grooming session, the contestants will be trained, the contestants will be groomed, they will be we'll be helping them as a team to develop their personality, to help them build their confidence, to help them in areas where they think that, where they lack, because it's different standing in front of, a few people and standing on stage is a different feeling altogether. So basically to boost their confidence, help them to be able to face challenges and have faith in themselves.
Because there'll be a lot of girls for that 1 month of training, there'll be a lot of girls interacting, meeting each other, sharing ideas, sharing their dreams and aspirations. And so it's something which I would encourage all young people to get into, because as I said just now, it's not very easy getting a platform like this. And once you get it, they will know what that experience is. Because personally, again, it's not about winning the crown, it's about that journey which they make before winning that crown, because that is what they're going to remember for a lifetime.
The three winners of recently held beauty pageants who had won certain titles also shared their experiences and how these have impacted their lives till today.
This whole journey of pageantry is a blessing for me. It has transformed me, it has molded me, not just who I am today, but personally also it has changed me to become more outspoken, gain more confidence. And throughout this journey I learned that it's not just about voicing my opinion, but being on stage, it's about you standing for many girls out there who are unable to voice for themselves. And through this pageant I've had many interactions with people coming from different parts of the country to learn about their tradition, their cultures, and in a way helping me to to interact. It's a way of improving my communication skills.
National pageant has been a life-changing one. Being someone who was once so introverted and diffident, competing in the beauty pageant was one of the scariest things I could have ever thought of. However, with the endless love and support from my loved ones, especially my father, I've come a long way, and winning the crown was one of my biggest achievements yet.
It molded me for the greater good. Personally, I've always been a person who has been body shamed, but it is through this platform that I came out. I did not conform to society's standards, but I'm standing here before you, and I am the proof that if I can do it, you can do it too.